Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am going to review English textbook of grade 1 by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board Lahore. This book is based on Single National Curriculum 2020 and the session is 2021 to 22. On the title there is a picture. A girl and a boy are learning and having some fun activities from the textbook grade 1 English. There is a board in the background having some paintings and a rack which has some paint brushes in it. So this picture is promoting art and creative activities by the students. On the next page there is a picture of Quaid-e-Azam, a quotation by him, the flag of Pakistan and the map of Pakistan. In the end there are publishing details that this book is published by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board Lahore. Next is the content page and there are details of the units. Each unit is having some subcategories that are covering all the four language skills that are speaking, listening, reading and writing. You can see that there are themes, sub-themes, oral communication, reading and critical thinking, language focus, grammar and writing. All these themes, all these subcategories and all these topics will improve the language skills of the students. The next page is covering the details of the author, editor, reviewer, supervisor, printer and publisher. And next there is the user manual of this book. You can say that this is a user manual as it is describing that this unit is having some learning outcomes in every unit. There are some categories in every unit that are improving the students' skills one by one, and ethical themes in each unit for students, reading notes that are giving students information about the chapter, and review in the end of the unit. In the end there is the national anthem of Pakistan. The last page of the book is about child abuse awareness. This book has 119 pages and the statement by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board is describing that this is a low price book, reasonable and affordable for the students. But though this book is affordable and reasonable, yet the quality of the pages and the printing is not attractive and admirable. The book can be improved by the means of the printing and the page quality and the size of the book. If it is a little bigger than it, then it would be more attractive. Let's move to the content of the book. In the start of the first unit, there are learning outcomes, some interesting pictures for the students to make it interesting and attractive for them to learn. This unit has phonetics based learning and it is recalling and recollecting the prior knowledge of the students. In the next unit, there is the start of the reading. It will improve the reading skills of the students, and in the exercise there are learning to speak and there is a dialogue that will improve the speaking and listening of the students. There are questions to improve critical thinking, exercise to improve vocabulary building, grammar and punctuation to improve writing skills, and there is the start of writing practice and creative writing. This is the most basic creative writing about the name, age, class and other information about the student, and by the end of this book the student will be able to write 5 sentences on a picture. In this sense, this book is perfect for average students, but it is not recommended for the junior students as it has not enough content for the junior students. The ethical themes are appreciable as they will improve the morals of the students. They will construct their moral character, but there are no interesting learning activities for the students. The creative writing topic and the interesting learning activities must be added in this book. To sum up, we can say that this book can be improved in the sense of printing, publishing, and interesting learning activities in the content. And the plus point of this book that it is perfect for every students. It is uh, not a burden on the standard students, although it is not recommended for the genius students. Thank you.